All right, Captain Blush, hey.
What?
Yeah, you're on the picture, hey. You're the star of today.
Hello viewers and subscribers, eh?
Hello, Kitty.
Hello Kitty, how are you today?
How are you? Very well, eh?
What
I
is
will
it?
just come here, Captain Blush. Hey, you will allow me because you know why.
You distract me, eh?
Yeah, I will be quick. I will just salute Captain Andrew Crampton. Do you know why?
Yeah.
Do you see the t-shirt, eh?
Yes, I can.
From Hong Kong, because he has sent us these beautiful t-shirts, and look at this, eh? I love Hong Kong, eh? Or we can say I love Hobby King or whatever.
We love all, eh?
We love it all. The most important thing is that it is perfect 5XL size, and I'm very happy man now, eh? And Captain Blush, back to you and start to explain to the viewers. Eh?
If you're happy, everyone is happy, eh?
Of course, eh? I'm always happy when I see the plane, eh? And Captain Blush behind the sticks, eh?
Yes, what do we have today? Did they say hello to the subscribers?
Well, I don't know, Captain Blush,
I'll
eh?
do it again.
Do it again quickly.
Hello to all viewers and subscribers.
Yes, yes.
All new and old ones. Everyone is welcome to join our channel. Our journey in this RC world, which is very interesting. And what do we have today? Today we're going to try my birthday present, which Robert got me.
Hey.
Yes, of course. Eh?
Who has got a birthday present like this year? I will watch the comments, say if anybody will say that his brother gave him the Cessna Cardinal for his birthday. Hey,
yes,
and
very,
a vintage one, eh?
Very old one, eh?
Yeah, and I will immediately grab the camera, and while you're talking,
Hey,
I will go around, eh?
I forgot to tell them the last time I didn't see it.
Look how shiny it is in this morning sun, Captain Blush.
Yeah.
You forgot to tell that it is Sunday morning flying, eh?
Yes, Sunday morning, it's 7:24 a.m.
And the date? You haven't told.
27th of May.
Yeah, 27th of May.
Yeah, and now show this.
And this will be the day to remember. And start with the wingspan, Captain Blush, and then we will go to the plane because it deserves, while it is still in one piece. Well, I will tell the wingspan.
1.7 meters.
1.73 meter wingspan.
1.3 meter length.
Yes, yes.
The most interesting thing about this plane.
I will just show it quickly, so they will know the brand of this, viewers, because you don't see a brand like this every day. Aviomodelli Model Group. This is Cessna 177 Mini Cardinal, and look at this, eh? Yes. Look, no excuses today, Captain Blush.
Show them this.
First, tell them what engine you have on, eh?
We have got HP 10cc, which is Hittenberger Patronen, which is made in Austria.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And you wanted
Gold
to show
cup.
what?
Show them the engine vibrating and anti-vibration system, eh?
Because you don't see the anti-vibration system. Look at this, viewers. Look.
The engine stands on the rubber.
But this is unbelievable.
On the rubber stands.
And it even has the working suspension in the back, Captain Blush. But it is hidden in the plane. Hmm?
Yes. And this...
I will go around and around.
This, when I have prepared the plane for the runway,
yes.
I have tried to run the engine, and the engine vibrates on its own, and the plane is steady. Eh? This is the very interesting
Hey,
thing.
the plane is steady like a dead man, eh? Hmm?
Yes, it's stiff like a dead man. Eh?
Yeah, it is. The plane is very stiff, viewers say. Yes. But Captain Blush, you must not be stiff today when you will do the maiden flight with this, and you will just relax and enjoy
I will try
it.
the maiden flight with this.
Yeah, we can also tell the viewers that lately, Captain Blush, you fly all the planes on this transmitter, eh?
Yeah, a lot of my planes.
A lot, not all, but a lot, eh?
Cessna 177.
Wait. Oh.
Let me show the... what have I done to dual rates? Show this. The first one is 100%. The second one is 54% with 20% expo. Did you see?
Oh, Captain Blush is using expo, viewers.
These are the ailerons.
This is not something that you see every day.
The third position is 36% and 20% expo.
Hey, you will love expo, Captain Blush.
And the second channel, which is the elevator, the first is 100%, Second is 55 and 20% expo, and the third one is 37% and 0 expo.
And Captain Blush, usually we say if we had a very rare plane that we are wondering if somebody will use this information, but actually I got the comment, hey, I don't think that you have read it, but I got the comment that a guy has a plane just like this in the box.
Yes, it is.
He wanted to sell it, but now he said that he will assemble it.
I told you about that, eh?
No, I told you about that.
I told Dario Ibanez.
Yeah, of course, eh? He's my good friend, eh?
Yes.
Yes.
We salute you, eh?
Salute Dario quickly, like this, yes. And Dario, you must assemble this plane, don't sell it, eh? So this is it, Captain Blush?
Yes, I'm very nervous. I have to go.
Hey, don't be. You have to go again?
It shows my battery. How much battery do you have in the receiver? You see?
Oh, you have telemetry, Captain Blush. Hey,
yeah, this is stock.
Hey, you're the man. Oh,
this is it. This is 100%. I'm going to start with middle rates. We will see what will happen.
Hey, whatever happens, Captain Blush, we must try this no matter what, eh?
I'll try with this. You start.
Oh yeah. I can hear something, Captain Blush, eh? Will you just take the starter, hey?
Yes.
It will be easier, eh?
Ah.
Oh, Captain Blush, hey, you have your box here. Hey, should I put the radio a little closer to you? Hey, maybe you will need it, eh?
Yes.
Oh, let's hear it, viewers, for the first time, eh? Oh yeah, Captain Blush, hey! Hey, quickly salute, eh? Always when you start the engine, you must salute, eh? Look at this, viewers, eh? Oh, this is it, eh? I must go around because this plane really deserves it, eh? Hey, I will try to do the best zooming in my life, Captain Blush, today. Look, the first taxiing on the runway. Look at this, eh? Captain Blush. Of course, I will come to this side because we don't want to have the sun in our eyes, eh? And then you will come to me, Captain Blush, eh? I will go a little more here, hey.
Maybe we can fly there because there is no sun. You can stand there, I'll fly over there.
But it's okay. Will you come to me?
No, I can go there.
Why?
I can fly on that spot, why not? It will be easier for you. And me also.
Yeah, just tell me, Captain Blush.
This is it?
But you will have to fly. Hey, wait, don't drive me over, eh? I will, a little zooming from here, eh? Just fly good, eh?
Yeah.
So I will see the plane.
This is it?
Wait, I will get to my spot, eh?
What?
Are you ready? Yeah, of course. Do it, Captain Blush. What?
Flying very well, eh?
Is it?
I just had to trim a little bit elevator, this is it, eh?
Oh, it looks so good, hey.
Is it? Flyby.
Perfect, eh?
It's not so slow, eh? It's quite fast model, you know?
Is it?
Yes. And I think that the prop is a bit on a smaller size, eh?
It should be a little bigger, huh?
Yes.
So the engine would be a little slower, eh?
Slower, and the plane would brake a little bit. It just won't go down, eh? What is this, eh?
It doesn't want to go down.
No.
But that's good, Captain Blasch, hey?
It wants to stay in the air, eh?
Well, it was waiting for so many years, Captain Blasch, and now it's finally in the air. Hey, this bird will just fly, eh?
You know what?
What?
I have to fly without expo, because I'm used to without expo, and it just now I really see that the expo is not for me.
It's so hard to film from here, eh?
Fly without expo. Let me do a very slow flyby. You see me?
Well, Captain Blasch, you have screwed me, eh?
Why?
I will go to the other side because, hey, I just can't, because I can't see the plane on the screen, hey. The sun is directly in my eyes, hey. Excuse me, viewers, I will go quickly here and then I will do the perfect filming because I really can't see the plane. Well, I can't see the plane from the sun, eh? Oh, it looks great now. I have put it a little shade with my hand. One more low for the viewers, hey. Captain Blasch? Yes, this was perfect this time, eh? You will land from that side? Oh, look at this, viewers, eh? Too fast? Will you come from the other side? Hey.
Well, I'm used to land from this side.
Just relax, Captain Blasch, it will be perfect, eh? Hey, this is it, eh? What are you doing, hey?
This is better, eh?
Is it? You had too much throttle or what?
Yes. I had too much throttle. Oh, show the end how it vibrates, eh?
Oh, this is great.
Can you see it?
I will zoom it in. Oh, look at this, eh? And the plane is steady, eh? You can't believe this, hey?
my throttle cut because I just can't. I can set the throttle cut, but when you set it, it just stops the servo. It doesn't put it in any position, but it just stops it.
So this is it, Captain Blaž? A little like this. I turn it to you a little.
Yes. I have to
so
tell
we will
you
have the best.
that this plane is very nice to fly.
Is it?
Yes, the only thing is that I will have to change the propeller because the plane was quite fast on the landing. And as I said, I'm going to take the expos out because I'm just not used to expo. As I said, Robert is used to it, I'm not. I'm just going to set the travels. It did fly very good. It is...
Turn it a little to the other side. No, the other, like this, yeah.
It is quite fast.
Oh, look at this.
All I had to trim was a little bit elevator, and this is it, eh? I'm just speechless, eh? This is the best.
But it was
ever.
really hard to film, Captain Blaž, today.
Huh?
It was so hard to film that
Why?
it's crazy. Because the sun was deflecting on my screen here on the camera, hey.
How can I film always, eh?
Hey, you're the expert for the filming, hey.
You
really, Captain Blaž, the best cameraman in the world because, hey, I just can't film, eh.
So
well, I do my best. Of course, we will see some of the plane.
Did you even film the engine, the plane?
Yeah, from time to time, eh. It was on the camera, eh.
But the plane is still in one piece.
Well, the most important thing is, Captain Blaž, that you can walk away and that you will have fun with this plane over and over again.
I will just change the propeller. I think that I will put on 13 by 6 or 13 by, I don't know, 7, because this is 12 by 6. So
well, I think that the guy just had this propeller and he put it on, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is it.
Yes. Captain Blaž and pilot Robert signing off.
Hey,
from Slovenia.
can you recommend this plane? We always
I can recommend
if we
this plane.
can.
And as we all see, back in the days, they have made very, very good planes. They have thought of everything. Even the engine mount is on the anti-vibration system, eh? Which is perfect, eh?
This is great, eh?
So the vibration from the engine doesn't go to the plane. So what can be more perfect, eh?
So this is it?
Yes. Pilot Robert and Captain Blaž signing off from Slovenia with this beautiful Cessna 177 from Aviomodelli from Italy.
A very sexy plane, I will
Very
call this.
plane.
Yes.
The forces have joined together. Slovenian driver, Italian plane and Austrian engine, eh? What can be better, eh?
Nothing, Captain Blaž.
Yes.
And again, we have proved that a nitro fuel is just great, eh?
Yes, I just like nitro. I cannot believe.
We are more and more in love in the nitro planes, eh?
Nitro, eh? Where is the problem in the engine? You just set it at home, and when you come to the runway, you just fly and go home, eh? What can be better, eh?
And I think, Captain Blaž, that more and more pilots will go back to have at least one nitro plane, and they will have such a good time, eh?
Nitro is just...
You don't need the sun module, and that's the most important thing,
How can you imagine such a scale plane with electric engine, eh?
Well, hey. Somebody loves electro planes.
Yeah, I know, but if you put an electro...
But even I will admit that just watching the plane with nitro engine is totally different experience than watching this baby if it was on electro.
Whoever puts a nitro electric engine on a scale plane should go to jail. No,
of course, Captain Blaž is joking, viewers.
I'm joking.
Captain Blaž is joking.
I'm joking, but
because Captain Blaž, you must still understand that 90% of the world is flying electro.
Yeah, I know.
This is it.
I hope that at least a few of viewers will go back to nitro, and my goal is done. Eh?
Yes, and that is the point of this channel, eh?
Yes.
We have found another point, and that is that we will persuade as many viewers and pilots as possible to at least once in their life try a nitro plane, eh? Or petrol, doesn't matter, as long as we have that great sound from the exhaust, eh?
This is it.
So this is it.
I'll cut the camera off and let's go to the quarry.
Oh yeah, the quarry, hey.
Yes.